So this one's gonna be a shorter video, but it should clear up a few lingering doubts about the MX Master 4. We've already talked about the leaks and that promo video, and now some hands-on images from Reddit are giving us a better look. First off, the build. A lot of people were wondering if Logitech was switching things up with materials, but after digging through Reddit posts, it's pretty clear the body is plastic. Not the cheap, glossy kind though. It's the good stuff, grippy enough without being slippery, and over at the thumb rest there's still a touch of rubber, but it's not the sticky type you might expect. It's smoother, more refined, and should hold up better over time. Another thing people kept asking about is polling rate. Well, looks like both Bluetooth and Logi Bolt are locked at 125 Hz, so no big jump there. Flip it over and the base tells us a lot. Model name, certification marks like CE and UKCA, the familiar easy switch button, and a sensor layout that feels pretty much in line with the last generation. Same story with the USB-C port and skate placement, although the glide pads themselves do look a bit different. Bigger cutouts, slightly tweaked geometry, maybe for smoother movement or longer durability. Now, about that battery, here's where it gets interesting. You'll notice a couple of exposed screws on the bottom, but if Logitech kept things consistent with the MX Master 3 and 3S, then more screws are likely hiding under those glide pads. Translation: the battery isn't officially user replaceable, but if you're handy with a screwdriver, it's definitely possible, just like on the last two models. And here's something that clears up earlier confusion. Even though Logitech's promo shots mostly showed Bluetooth, retail units are still shipping with a Logi Bolt receiver in the box. You can actually see it tucked into the cardboard tray in one of the photos, so yes, you still get that option out of the box. Oh, and one last thing, remember the scrolling hiccups that annoyed a lot of MX Master 3 users? From early impressions, it looks like Logitech finally sorted that out on the MX Master 4, and that's pretty much what we know for now. Not a massive update, but it does clear up some important details. If you're waiting on the MX Master 4, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss the bigger updates when they drop. Thanks for watching. Peace.